You know what, guys? I'm just going to be very plain and truthful with you on this particular video. You want the views for your channel, but you ask yourself, are you actually doing the right things that will get you views? Now, as long as I'm concerned, there's just one particular, like one very major thing that can actually fetch you the views that you desire on your channel. That's just the truth. I know you might be uploading consistently. See, let me tell you, you might be uploading consistently. You might be using the best gadgets, the best equipment. You might travel far and wide to get everything that you're using to film for your videos. Do you understand? You might be using the best editing styles and techniques. But let me tell you, if you're not still doing the right thing, you're not going to get the views for your video. I'm not even here to play. You're not going to get the views for your video because you cannot be keep on putting the wrong content inside your videos and now be editing to it, and you want something right to come out of it. It's just like in your body. You want to look good every time, right? You want your appearance to always be appealing, and but at the same time, you're not doing what is needed to give yourself that appearance. You're not eating right, you're not sleeping right, you're not doing the right things for yourself, you're not dressed up the right way, you're not, and you now come out and maybe you now want to just be helping yourself and be applying makeup up and down. You're applying makeup on top of dirty clothes. You're applying makeup on top. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So it is not going to work. If you keep putting on the wrong content into your videos, there is no way you are going to get the desired views. Why? Because it is only when you start giving out what people want that people will be able to stay and resonate with whatever it is that you are sharing on your channel. If you keep on putting things that people are not interested in your channel, then they are not going to stay. You might use the best editing styles and they might just tell you that, oh, you have some people might be patient enough to tell you that, oh, you have the best edit, you have a very good editing style, oh, what do you use for your editing? And that's it. They will never return. They will never return. Now, what do you need to get views? You ask yourself, if I sit down, take your channel, just for one day, just sit down, take your phone and start looking through your channel. Start looking at all your videos and then start asking, okay, this first video, if I were to be the one, would I actually sit down and watch this video from beginning to end? And now I'm not even talking about niche. Yes, some people are interested in certain niches while some are not interested in certain niches. But whatever your own niche is, focus on your own niche and ask yourself, people who are interested in this my own particular niche, will they actually, like if I were to be the one interested in this my own particular niche, would I actually sit down and watch this my video from beginning to end? Ask yourself, this video, if I watch it, like, what is it adding to my life? Because some people will just come in front of the camera and just keep talking anything, just keep saying anything they want. You ask yourself, what exactly are you giving these people? If they cannot get anything from your channel, if what you are giving them is not edifying them in any way, then they will not stay and they will not watch to the end. And if they do not watch to the end, then YouTube will not even recommend the videos to more people. And one thing you need to know, in fact, I'm going to come back to talk about that. YouTube is not going to recommend the videos to more people if they are not staying to watch your video to the end. So whatever it is that you are putting on your video, ensure that it is giving out value. Value is very important. If you're not giving out value and you're using the best equipment to film your video, you're using the best mic, you're using the best, in fact you're renting a studio, you're not giving out value, you're renting your studio and you're doing just anything and people are not even gaining anything from you, they will go back and watch people that are filming in ugly places but are giving them good value. That's the raw truth. That's the honest truth. So you want to ensure that whatever it is that you are giving somebody, whether it's you're educating people, whether you're entertaining people, ensure they're actually getting good value, and ensure that if you're giving them that value, you are giving them in such a way that they can actually understand. Because some people, you know what you are doing, but you do not even know how to express it in the right ways. If you need to jot down points, then jot down points and follow it so that you can be very organized and your line of thoughts can be very stable and organized. So that if people are watching your videos, they will know that, okay, this is what I have learned. Because you want that when people come to watch your video, at the end of the day, they'll be like, wow, this was valuable. Like, I did not waste my time well spent, because time is money and people take their time to be very, very serious and precious. So if your video is going to make a person waste time on his or her channel, they are not going to wait. And let me tell you something, if your videos are clickbait video, it's as though you are wasting people's time, and trust me, they are going to take note of your channels and they will not come back to watch your videos. Let me just tell you the truth. So you might feel like, oh, you put out a video and you're now doing your thumbnails, you now put something that that is so different and does not even relate to what you have in your video, and you expect that people will now come and watch to the end and they will see your video again another day and click on it when you know you already deceived them the first time. Sorry, it doesn't happen that way. So if you want good views on your channel, views that will keep remaining, people that will be loyal to you, because you're trying to build a loyal community for yourself. This YouTube thing, we're not just stopping at one place. Everybody needs to grow. In this life, God created us to grow. So God said grow and multiply. God did not say once you grow to a certain extent be stuck there. God did not say that. So if we are building our channels, we are building our channels even for the long-term purposes. We want to build a community of people that will stay and they will always want to get whatever it is that we are pushing out to them. So if you know that you want a loyal community for yourself, then be ready to be loyal to your people. If this is what you're telling them you want to give them, then let that be exactly what you are giving them. This particular video, I'm performing an experiment on this particular video. So watch out for the video I'm going to upload tomorrow, because I'm going to come here and tell you exactly what the experiment is about and how you can use it for your video, because this experiment can help to increase your views, not minding the number of subscribers that you have on your channel. So if you do not have your notification bell turned on this particular channel, do well to turn it on now. Subscribe and turn it on now so that you get the video that I'm going to be uploading tomorrow. Just watch out for that particular video, okay? So now, one thing about your subscribers is your subscribers can actually help your channel. If you put out a video, and it still boils down to giving out value. If you put out a video, the first thing that YouTube does is to push out your videos to your subscribers. Now YouTube will now watch, and if YouTube now sees that even the people that you have on your own community, the people on your channel, your subscribers, they are not watching, YouTube will not push out your videos again to more people. That is the truth. YouTube will not push out your videos again. So, and your subscribers will not watch, number one, if you did not get them the right way. Number two, if you're not giving out value on your channel. You post a particular video, YouTube pushes it out to them. They now click on that particular video and then now see that, please, what's this thing that I'm watching? What's this rubbish I'm watching? And they click off. If YouTube sees that the people that you even have, your own family, they're not interested in what you're putting out, it will not bother giving it out to other people. Now, one advice I'm going to give you is, if you know that you're in any niche, sometimes you might have what you want to create originally, and sometimes it might be something that's already existing in the market. That means in your niche, is already doing well in your niche. It's something that people are searching for. You want to create based on that, but before you create based on that, do research based on what other content creators that are in that your niche have created on that similar topic. Do you understand? So maybe you want to create a video on how to use this particular gadget. Go and check your own niche. Who are the other creators that have created videos on this particular thing? You can watch their videos. People that have done well on their videos, you can watch their videos and see what they have done, because let me tell you, not one person doesn't know everything. One person doesn't know everything. So go ahead, watch their videos, gain more information. You'll be able to use it to give people more value on your channel. You do not know everything. I do not know everything, and I go to other people's channels. I watch, I learn from people. I ask questions. Everybody who is very successful in this life, they are not one man mopo. They do not do their thing on a one man mopo basis. Do you understand? So learn from other people in your own niche also. See videos they have created, see how they created it, see what worked for them, and then put it into your own channel. You are also helping yourself, because you want people to gain something at the end of your own videos. You cannot keep dishing out what people do not want and expect people to keep coming back. And remember, your returning viewers are also very important, because if you keep having returning viewers on your video, YouTube will also help to push out your own videos. Do your research and ask God for wisdom. God said, ask me for wisdom and I will give it to you. Ask and you shall receive. Ask God, I need wisdom for this idea. Okay, I need wisdom to multiply this particular idea that I have for my channel. Tell God to teach you how you can make this idea into something large. Do you understand? God said that He gives the ability to create wealth. So your channel can actually do very well. God can give you the ability to create something on your channel that would fetch you value, not just from AdSense. Yes, not just from AdSense. You can be very valuable. People can. Now, one thing is, people might see your videos. Your videos might have not yet gotten to 100,000 views or million views, but people can watch your videos and see that this person actually has something upstairs. Like, this person knows what he or she is doing, and they will meet you for maybe lessons, tutorials, help in one way or the other. So henceforth, ensure that you are dishing out value. Value is what will actually get you the views that you desire. It might not be now, it might be later. Rome was not built in a day. So it might not be now, it might just be your next video, it might be your next 2 videos, your next 10 videos. So just be patient and be dishing out value. If you need more tips on how to grow on your channel, you can watch the playlist on your screen. And do not forget, I take YouTube one-on-one classes. So if you're interested, you can just chat me up on Instagram. Some people have been asking me, you can chat me up on Instagram at Glory C. Do you understand? I wish you all success on your channels. Do not forget, watch my ads, don't skip my ads. I'll see you on my next one. If you've not given this video a thumbs up, please do well to give it a thumbs up now, and you're welcome to join this family. That means subscribe now. Bye.